So today we have Tony here. We just closed on his property in Crestview. So Tony, just a few questions. What kind of position were you in that made you want to sell your home to us?
We moved out of the home 2 years ago and moved into a bigger property and planned on renovating and selling or renting, as you can see, for a couple years, and we never did it. So we got to the point finally where we met Matt. He talked to us and he came, looked at it and made a nice offer. We looked at what it would take for us to do it and the time and effort, and we already spent 2 years not doing it. So we went ahead and worked with Matt, and it worked out well for us.
Perfect. I'm glad to hear that, sir.
Yes.
And how would you say we handled everything from the first call made to you up until this very moment?
Oh, everything went smooth. Matt came out, met us at the house, looked at it, gave us a price that was right at in my price range, what we looked at, me and my wife talked about beforehand. We was looking at, what we was losing every month paying the second mortgage, and it worked out well. Everything went quick. Closing came a lot quicker than we expected, so things went well. Everything went good up to and through closing. Went really fast.
I'm really glad to hear that.
Yes.
And would you recommend us in the future for our services to anyone, friends, family?
Definitely. I like I said, the process is quick. I love coming to a closing. Don't need no money. Things worked out well, so I would definitely recommend you guys. It worked out well for us, and we appreciate Matt working with us too.
Wonderful.
It worked out well.
Perfect.
All right.
Well, it's wonderful meeting you, Tony.
Thank you, sir.
And I wish you guys the best in the future.
Thanks. You too. Appreciate it. Good luck with the house.
You too.
Want to see it.
On the new property, anyway.